How to adjust the settings on Dance Karaoke to fit your voice. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox and go to Dance Karaoke. Click on Menu at the bottom. In Menu, scroll down and search for Settings and then click on Settings. After you're in the Settings section, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Sounds and expand Sounds option. In here, scroll down and you will find Music Local Pitch. Now what you need to do is to increase, make sure the green dot is on the right side, and to decrease, swipe it to the left side. In this way, you can simply adjust local pitch, and according to that, it will fit your voice. And this is how you can easily adjust the settings on Dance Karaoke to fit your voice. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.